On to further breaking updates coming in. Prime Minister Modi will interact with DMs of districts that have high viral load. Chief ministers will also be present for this meeting on the 18th. He will meet DMs of 46 districts from 9 states, and on the 20th he will meet DMs of 54 districts from 10 states. Abhishek Kapoor, Senior Executive Editor, picking up more details on the same. Tell us more, Abhishek.
So, Isha, we have seen how Prime Minister has got involved in this COVID second wave management, talking directly to all levels of government. We have seen how he has engaged with the chief ministers. He has engaged with the ministries at the center. He has spoken to all stakeholders, oxygen suppliers, and vaccine makers. And now it seems he's getting down to the district level as well. So he's talking to the district magistrates. As per information that has been provided by sources in the government, Prime Minister is going to speak to district magistrates of worst affected districts in two rounds. So essentially on 18th, he would speak to 46 district magistrates from as many as 9 states. And on 28th, he would be talking to another 54 districts from 10 states, taking the total to 100. And chief ministers of the respective states would be present when the Prime Minister engages with the district magistrates. We remember yesterday saw how, as a member of parliament from Varanasi, he has taken care of his constituency and presented a model in terms of managing the second wave of COVID and limiting the damage. And possibly with that experience that he has as member of parliament for Varanasi in containing the damage, he has a lot to share in terms of districts taking care of their units. So I think that's why Prime Minister is extending this, and he's going to engage with these district magistrates, essentially district administrations, directly in the presence of their respective chief ministers on 18th and 28th, with 46 and 54 districts, respectively.
All right, Abhishek, keeping a very close eye on the same. Thank you for joining us.